do you think all those elements fit together? Because the important part is we've said one statement of saying this is our mission or this is our guiding principle is one thing, but without that translation to action, to mindset change, to outlook change, you just still have that gap sitting there of what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to think and act differently?
Right. So you would think defining this and kind of pinpointing it would be the hard part. I really do think, especially from a communicator standpoint, the hard part is embedding it now, is really operationalizing it throughout the business. So again, this isn't something that we can plaster on the wall or put on a poster. It's not that. It is. It's what holds the culture framework up. It's what allows that to thrive is these mindsets and how we now train, embed, how we train our employees to think and attack problems in a particular way. That's what we've really kind of tapped into here with these mindsets. So, a part of the embedment process was not just, this kind of relaunch or reinvigoration and re-explanation of the language and the mindsets. That was the go. The That new kind of rally cry that we did. But now where the hard work comes into is how does this embed in our SOPs? How we frame out our procedures and our policies and things like that, aligning to the way that we want our employees to think, the mindsets with which we want them to approach their work. How is it that we're looking at onboarding and hiring practices? Are we hiring and attracting the right kind of talent who exhibit the expertise in these areas? How are we making sure that our learning and development and ongoing leadership trainings touch and teach these components? And as you grow throughout your career, as you start operating on different levels of your business, the way that you think about things, the way that you approach things within your mindset also shifts. It goes to another level. And so there's all these variations and degrees that we have to account for in terms of operationalizing this. And that's not an overnight thing.